to know
Put them together.
what to do, really.
I watch Discovery World a lot.
Wow.
My dad
Encourages you to.
he encourages me, yes, but he buys science book, textbooks. I read them, do something out from it, read it, see I must gain something from it. Then just see how something works.
You know what, I wish you could put your father on this hot seat right now, because I think he just has a state of guilty conscience. For one, with the kind of intellect you have, you should be a science student. I hear you are an art student.
You're not a science
And
student.
it's because of your father that you are an art student.
Can you tell us how?
Yes. Because he wants him to follow his footsteps.
My father would
Daddy.
wants everybody at home to be a lawyer.
Daddy.
Tell me about it. Yes.
I don't feel like
You don't feel like doing it.
Don't
Exactly.
be an inventor, don't be another Einstein.
Scientist.
what I want to say today is that anyone outside there, you should never give up on anything they do. Because my father discouraged me that I must do
Daddy.
lawyer.
You must do law. Daddy! He's here in the studio. That's why we are
That's why
shouting.
we're watching
You need to explain. Please come and explain. You just walk in and explain.
Come on, explain.
Because this is serious. This is what a lot of young people are going through. Please, just come in. Like, tell me from there. Why do you want him to be a lawyer?
Yes, I just wanted him to take after my profession.
You just wanted him to take after
you?
you?
The firstborn of
Okay,
the family.
be the firstborn of the
in
family. But this
African
young man here is a scientist.
Oh,
So
definitely.
So,
I'm
all
blessed.
this creation.
Okay, you've realized
Oh,
that.
yes, and
So
I'm
are
ready
you
to
fully
support
supporting
him.
him right now?
And I'm ready to support him.
Okay, thank you for saying that.
Back to
All right,
you.
so back to you. Okay, so do you have plans to switch to science class and all that?
Yes, I have any plans to switch back to science.
But what class are you in presently?
Probably I will switch.
Wow.
Wow, you're almost done with secondary school. But you still do physics, chemistry, which are your...
Obviously not.
No.
No, you can't do that when you're in arts class.
Wow.
But you know, you can.
Without any teaching in physics.
In physics, and you.
You know, it's just God given time to me.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Or show us some of your
Tell us how
inventions.
you- just let's see
Because of
how
the time we
you
have to. Just
Show
show
us.
them to us. Let's see. Alright, this is on screen. Let's see that visuals again. That's Timile's hydraulic bridge, fourth mainland bridge that he designed for Lagos State.
Yeah.
Really, it's true. It's a kind of bridge that closes
Yeah, no
and then it opens up. And this is ingenious, really, really. Wow.
Alright, so tell us more.
So tell us some
So
more.
this is just an hydrogen separator that separates hydrogen from oxygen. We used to power generator, used to for cooking instead of cooking gas. And permit me to say this, we also used for bomb.
To make
Bomb.
don't say
No,
that.
don't go there.
We
Okay.
don't need that information.
We don't need
You
that.
don't know if it's watching. Okay. How does it work?
It works just after you've poured some amount of water,
Yeah.
plug it and connect it to your gen, start working.
So if we do that now, we can go off the gen here and then we'll power
Power
the station.
station.
Can you power Galaxy TV? Okay.
I don't have that much power.
Capacity. Okay.
They could actually be developed to do that.
To do that.
Yes.
Wow.
But
Okay.
just
Do you want to show us how it works?
Yes.
Please
Yeah,
do that
let's see.
quickly. Wow, and to think that what he used is a plastic container, a normal,
Easy to just hand around you
yeah,
everywhere.
plastic container with a lid, and then you just pour in normal drinking water,
Yeah.
and that's it. Okay. And then you cut. I hope nobody can get electrocuted or something. I'm scared of electricity. Okay. All right. So you connect it. What are those grips?
yes.
Okay. So you put it on.
It's on.
It's on already.
Wow.
You can see the bubbles. I can see the bubbles from here. All right, maybe we can close this a little so people can see. You can see the bubbles. So when it heats up,
No, it just separates the oxygen from the hydrogen. So
Okay.
when it is done, we remove this
is a needle.
It's like a syringe.
Injection.
What does this
Okay.
say?
What is that?
It's just a sample of how it works.
Okay.
Because if this is just a case that I can just matches,
Mm-hmm.
if it is already done,
Mm-hmm.
light the match. I will stop this thing because it's as in
It's vibrating.
no, not vibrating, as in just can just bring the fire from it. and
Now,
So I
okay.
have to close it very tight.
Please close it.
So because if it's
Yeah,
I can just after it's done, as you can see, it's just
It's changing color.
so
You can see it.
so if
Wow.
it matches, just put it here on it, then you see fire
Coming out.
coming out.
So
Wow.
the fire actually shows oxygen.
Yes.
Okay.
So you can use it to cross power your generator
Mm-hmm.
and all sorts of things like gas and etc.
Your gas cooker.
Gas cooker.
Okay. Show us the vacuum cleaner.
The vacuum cleaner is just
Be careful with those wires. So, can I touch this?
can
Okay.
it's unplugged.
Mm-hmm. Help you a little. Okay. Meanwhile, that vacuum cleaner is a plastic container. He just painted it. What's that? Aluminum color,
Yeah.
something.
Mhm.
Then with a what we call pattern. Wow.
Mhm.
I can hear the sound. It's working already.
Yes. So what's this? What's the mean?
Hose.
Yes.
Combination.
Oh, that is a PET bottle in the middle. That's a
Yes.
wow.
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 So these are just.
Okay. So let's assume that's what you're sweeping off. Okay.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Go ahead.
But that's getting into my coffee, by the way. Okay, I'm very particular about my coffee. Okay.
Yeah, so,
Okay. Wow. Wow. That's it. I'm just, you can sweep this entire place.
Yes.
Wow.
The thing is, let us talk about support. Now, since you've been doing this, what kind of support have you really got, maybe from school and the government or all that?
The kind of support I'm expecting is from the government.
Okay.
And I mean, I wish to be the first Nigerian helicopter flyer in this.
And
But if I'm supported with the government or even the president, I will make Nigeria part of the technology advanced country.
Yes.
Yes.
Put us on the map. We need that.
So if the government, the president can assist me, I will go outside the country, learn about how things works, come back to Nigeria, like solar energy, go to outside country, learn it, come
Bring
back
back.
to Nigeria.
Yes. And develop it.
Some group of people teach them, those group of people like them, they will
We'll
go
teach
outside,
more.
can teach like 100,
Yeah,
those 100 can teach like 1 million.
Yes.
And
Yes.
Nigeria is getting higher.
Wow. I'm falling in love with you already. Now I can see that all these are just scraps, bits and pieces you have put together and all that. Now, peradventure, you know, government does support you. You can actually do this on a larger scale.
Yes.
Wow.
In fact, you can split those just packing. And
So it will save us all the stress of mobile workers opening the street for us.
yes.
This is the switch. It's on.
We just go.
I can suck you in.
I can't get it.
Wow.
Just
If the
Can I go home with this?
No, you
It can be
can't.
useful. Alright, because of our time, we can't go through all of your inventions.
Just so many.
That is a microscope. He developed a microscope as well. I mean, you can look at organisms on that, connect it to a laptop. That's why he has this actually. And then you see the visuals of the microorganisms, you know, on the screen, and you actually know it's password. Yes, so we understand. I'm just saying because we don't have time to go through it, but that's a microscope made from, you know, just little bits of wood
and
and
other
and then it has a slide. And then you can, I mean, this will be good for medicine.
Yeah.
You know, this is brilliant, wonderful to me. Like, we're calling on the government, please